Subscribe to our fascinating and informative vlogs. Join us as we explore the world. Hit the subscribe button now.
इब्राहिम, ये भाई मलावी में हैं, इनके इधर आए हैं कि मैं इस्लाम के बारे में जानना चाहता हूँ, मुसलमान होना चाहता हूँ। तो इनकी चूँकि ज़बान बड़ी हमसे मुख्तलिफ ज़बान है, समझते हम इनकी ज़बान नहीं समझते, ये इनकी ज़बान नहीं। तो ज़ाहिर भाई यहीं के मकामी है, तो ज़ाहिर भाई थोड़ा सा समझाएं भाई को इस्लाम की तालीमात क्या हैं।
Number one, you want mufuna muziwe za Islam, siso? Mufuna mulowe Islam?
Yeah.
Okay, before you enter Islam, you first muzafunika muziwe Islam ni chani. Islam ni way of life that Allah has chosen. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has come to show us practically. He has shown us all the ways. How to pray, how to sleep, how to eat, how to stay with your family, how to stay with your children. You understand?
I understand.
So that is Islam. Islam is a way of life chosen by who?
इनकी मकामी ज़बान में बात करें ना तो ज़्यादा अच्छा।
So ni life ya mene Allah anasanga.
Kwenye babu.
सबसे पहले इनको तौहीद सिखाएं।
So choyambira, there is no Islam without faith. Faith in what? La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Itanda uzajani paribe wina wa min zagwadira kama Allah eka. Na mtumiki Muhammad ni mtumiki wa Allah. Okay? Hii kalima chikurupiriro kuti ine sinza gwadira chili chonse koma Allah eka. Mulungu ndiye Allah. Okay? Na kharido yanga izakhala pa kharido ya mtumiki Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay? It's very easy. When you come into Islam, you should have faith. Faith, without faith, nothing is accepted. You can do 100 good things. Mulungu saza komela. So you need to have faith. If you have faith, whatever you do, chamene muzachita kondulesa.
इनको ये भी बताएं कि हज़रत ईसा जो है ना वो अल्लाह के बेटे नहीं है, the messenger of God है।
Ma Christian wa believe kuti Isa, Prophet Isa was son of God. God has no son. God is only one. Prophet Isa was a prophet sent by Allah to guide people towards the right path. Kuwauza kuti njira ya bwino ni muzigwada mulungu weka. Choncho matumiki anabwela almost 124,000. Okay? Once anabwela samawi mozi. Kuti vomerani la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Vomerani kuti sinza gwadira aliyense koma Allah eka. Mtumiki Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mtumiki wa Allah. Tamvesi kukurupirira kuti ziko yonse ili kuenda na mphamvu ya Allah. Your eyes, maso wanu ili kupenya chifukwa Allah afuna. You feel hungry, mamvera njara because Allah afuna. When you take medicine, it's not medicine
पूरी
which
तबलीग वाली तौहीद सिखा रहे हैं इनको, इतनी डेप्थ में नहीं जाए ना।
नहीं मैं उसको ईमान की
नहीं इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं उनको, वो बेसिक चीज़ उनको इस्लाम की बताएं। वो तबलीग का तो फिर आगे अल्लाह से नज़र भी अल्लाह से आता है, वो डेप्थ में जा रहे हैं।
Okay, वो
मोटे मोटे इस्लाम के पहले अकीदा तौहीद कि देयर इज अल्लाह हैज़ नो सन। ओके, द ईसा
Jesus is prophet.
was a prophet, not
son
son
of
of God. God doesn't have
Children, no son, no children.
Okay, he is only one, and इनको बताएं गॉड जैसा कोई भी नहीं है।
There is nothing like God. Paribe chi na chi chonse chame chiringan na Allah.
हाँ, दूसरी बात इनको ये बताएं कि खुदा ने किसी को किसी किस्म के इख्तियारात नहीं दिए, सब कुछ अल्लाह के पास है। तो इंसान को दुआ में नहीं पुकार सकता, ना किसी पैगंबर को, ना किसी और मखलूक को। सब उसके ताबे हैं, सब फ़कीर है। अंतुमुल फ़ुक़राउ इलल्लाह, सब उसके मोहताज हैं। पैगंबर भी, ईसा भी, मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम भी, सब अल्लाह के मोहताज हैं। तो हम जब दुआ मांगेंगे तो सिर्फ अल्लाह से मांगेंगे। जल्दी से
Mulungu alipowancha bemphamvu zonse ni ya Mulungu eka. Imwe sumunga pemphe kwa muntu aliyense koma Mulungu eka. Wamvera. Oro matumiki you sumunga uze kuti yai mtumiki munikurukire kapena munipase vaso iyai. The only giver is who? Allah. That is your faith. Understood?
इनको बताएं कि ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम और मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम भी अल्लाह के बंदे हैं, उनके पास भी इख्तियार नहीं है, वो भी इंसान है।
हाँ।
लेकिन गॉड ने उनको, अल्लाह ने उनको सेलेक्ट किया है लोगों की हिदायत के लिए।
Ati Prophet Isa, Prophet Muhammad all the prophets, they are also human beings. They were sent anawatumiza paziko la pansi kuonesa wantu njira wabwino. Okay? So without no, you cannot call anyone apart from Allah. If you want to pray, you pray only for Allah. You can't pray for Jesus, you can't pray for Muhammad, because they were also human beings. And Jesus is still alive. Jesus, Isa alayhi salam, is still alive. He is not dead. He was not put on the cross, no. Okay? This is your belief. First prophet was Prophet Adam alayhi salam, our father. And then so many prophets came. Okay? Now there are no prophets. So we have got our priests who guide us. So you want to become Muslim, Mufna Mulo
अब
Islam?
इनको 4 अरकान बताएं इस्लाम के, नमाज, ज़कात,
Ji. Faith,
रोज़ा और हज.
faith is number one. It's the middle pillar. After faith, the first thing you're supposed to do is pray 5 times a day. Mufuna umepita kasanu pasiku. Okay? Then you are supposed to fast in Ramadan. There is Ramadan coming now. You fast for 29 or 30 days until mwezi yaoneka. Mambo yopake padi zakat. If you have money from certain amount, okay, every year you sit down, you see, oh, I've got so much money. You remove 2.5% and you give it to poor Muslims. Not poor people, to poor Muslims. But charity, sadaqah, you can give it even to a non-Muslim. But zakat, you give only to our poor Muslims. Yes. So they also have food in their house. When you give zakat, you don't tell them what to do. You just give them to please. Okay, then you go for Hajj. If you have money, if you have ability, you go for pilgrim. Saudi Arabia,
Once in
every
the
year,
life.
once in lifetime. These are 4 pillars of Islam. The middle pillar ni jani? Iman, faith. So these 4 pillars, they cannot stand without faith. So faith is the main pillar. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Paribe winen zagwadira kuma
अच्छा, इनको
Allah.
फिर बताएं.
Namtumiki Muhammad.
के-
Kurupirita.
वो अरकान बता दिए.
हाँ बता दिए.
इनको बताएं
इस
कि
कॉफी
मौत के बाद अल्लाह हम सबको दोबारा जिंदा करेगा. ये बात ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम की किताबों में भी है, मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम की किताबों में भी है, और कुरान ने भी कहा है. और अल्लाह कहता है कि जो पहली दफ़ा पैदा कर सकता है वो तुम्हें दोबारा भी पैदा कर सकता है. जी, लिहाजा वो हमें दोबारा जिंदा करके हमसे जो कुछ हमने किया उसका हिसाब व किताब लेगा.
After this life, okay, we were in our mother's womb. Then Allah gave us this life. Okay, when we were in our mother's womb, did we know kutibariziko yaso? No. Sinazivi. Manje tili mwumbi ya ziko hii, there is another world, and Allah will give us life again there. When we leave this world, we just change the life. This life Allah has given us for preparation of that life. Okay, so we are all going to. When someone dies, he doesn't die. He just changed the world. So this is the place of action. That is the place for Maripiro. Reward, punishment. Whatever good you do here, Allah will pay you. So much paradise, beautiful paradise. But if you do bad things, then there is fire of hell.
सही है.
So you need
अच्छा,
to.
और इनको बताएं 2-3 चीज़ें कि इस्लाम में शराब अलाउ नहीं है, और इस्लाम में किसी औरत की तरफ विदाउट मैरिज contact is not allowed. You can do 4-time marriage. उनके हुकूक अगर आप पूरे अदा करें. लेकिन आप किसी औरत की तरफ विदाउट मैरिज नहीं जा सकते.
There are some few things. There are so many sins in this world, but there are some major sins you are not supposed to do at all. One, no drinking beer. Do you drink beer? No. Never drink beer. Because beer drinking is the mother to all evil. Zoipa zonse zimeambira mo. Okay? Number two, no sex without marriage. No sex without marriage. And you sleep only with your own wife. No sleeping with other women. Haram. Understood? Then you don't deal in interest money. Bank loan, haram. Okay? So these are big things you should avoid. If you want to marry, if one wife not enough for you, you can bring second wife, but keep them equal. Okay? You give 10 kwacha this one give 10 kwacha. But if this one has children, you give for children as well. You understand? You be equal. So if you have more power, more money, you can marry 2, 3, 4, no problem. Up to 4 you're allowed. This is Islam is very sweet. It's very easy. If you have faith, if you know that in Nizam Walida, every day nilikwenda pafupi na infa, every day nienda pafupi kumana na mulungu wanga. So mungalepele kupempera. So Islam will teach you way of life. You will pray. Now prayers is not only praying, no. Even keeping your wife and children nicely at home, it's also prayers. Yeah. Even to sleep, if you sleep according to Islam, some people sleep naked. You don't sleep naked. Mugona saru, and you pray before sleeping. You make dua. Okay, Allah guides. It's very nice and very sweet. You understand? So you want to become Muslim, be strong. And I would say, if you want to become Muslim, we can make you Muslim now. There is madrasa, there are these sheikhs. So many people are praying. Okay? Why are they praying? They want to go to paradise. You don't want to go paradise? You want. I want to go paradise. So I should do what? I should pray. Kupempera. Kasanu pasiku kupempera. And mweka kupempera iyai. Even your wife at home, you should teach her to pray. One woman, mkazi umozi, azatenga 4 mamuna ugahena. Atate wake, mamuna wake, brother wake na mwana wake. Kuti mulungu uyu muntu nenze mchapira saru, nenze mpikira vokuria, vose nenze mchitira koma sana nipunzise mawe yangu. Allah will pull you also. So whatever you learn about Islam, go and teach your family. You love your children, right? Can you see your children mungavomere kuti mwana wana wavuti? Huh?
No way.
You love your children.
तैयार कर रहे हैं.
Good हो गया.
Adil, what brother says does it make sense?
Yeah, it is.
We were talking about the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So if
Do
you
you
have
have
any
any
question,
question? You
if
can
you
ask.
have any question, you
Ask
can
any
ask.
question you want to ask.
Whatever question you have, because if we believe, and I think you also believe, because your name is Justice, right?
नहीं मैंने उसको
Very simple.
नहीं मैंने उसको भाव साहब
If
का
you
बयान
have something which is you know which is right,
सर का बयान हो गया.
we don't delay. If you have any question, ask brother. Inshallah, he will answer you. God willing, he will answer you.
Any question you have.
Let's take the step. Let's not wait.
बस किसी को नहीं कहे कि वो इस्लाम कबूल करे, वो उसकी मर्जी है. कभी भी ये तरगीब नहीं देनी चाहिए कि आप जो है स्टेप लें और आप कलमा पढ़ें. ये बिल्कुल नामुनासिब है.
Biggest thing that
कभी भी किसी पे कोई दबाव नहीं डालें, उसको कभी भी तरगीब न दें कि आप मुसलमान हो. आपने इस्लाम का तारुफ करवा दिया,
you have known about
उसको ये कभी
Islam.
ना कहें इतने लोग बैठे हुए अभी कलमा पढ़ लें. ये बिल्कुल गलत तरीका है.
If you want to become
आपने बता
Muslim,
दिया, आपकी जिम्मेदारी पूरी.
you know we have explained to you Islam. Now it's up to you to become Muslim. We cannot force you.
Yeah, for sure.
But
Force
if you
भी
have
नहीं,
any
तरगीब भी
question,
ना
you can
दें.
ask right now.
जी वही है ना.
तरगीब भी नहीं दी. फोर्स तो वैसे भी कोई
बोला ना इसीलिए.
नहीं. खुद बोले तो
उसका नाम जस्टिस है. अभी हम लोग इस्लाम के बारे में ही बात कर रहे थे उससे.
जी जी
और दूसरी चीज़ के उसको जस्टिस का माना बताया अरबी में.
आदिल
आदिल का पहले बताया, फिर आदिल का समझाया तो उसने ऐसा कहा कि मुझे आदिल ही बुलाने का.
नहीं भाई उन्होंने खाने का बताया.
गुड हो गया. आयरा वालों के लिए हमने जाहिर भाई को अब तैयार कर लिया है.
जाम्बिया में भी वो थोड़ा ज़ेबा को 3 घंटे के बयान में भी ज़ेबा पिटने वाले नहीं हैं. आप कंटिन्यू हो.
इनसे कहें जब आप इस्लाम कबूल करना चाहेंगे वी आर रेडी. आपकी मर्जी है. अब
उसको बोल दो.
ला इकराह फी दीन.
Adil.
दीन में जबरदस्ती नहीं है.
बिल्कुल सही.
When you are ready to accept Islam, okay, you tell us.
Yeah,
Okay?
I will show you.
No
Never in
force,
doubt.
no. It's your own choice. You should become. You know, when you choose a wife,
Yeah.
you choose yourself. I won't choose for you, right?
Yeah.
So you choose your life yourself. You want paradise? There is the
बस
road.
बस पैराडाइज को छोड़ दें. फिलहाल केक खिलाएं उनको.
You want to eat cake?
अगर आप पैराडाइज चाहते हैं.
Subscribe to our fascinating and informative vlogs. Join us as we explore the world. Hit the subscribe button now.